Buying Hyatt Points. Purchasing World of Hyatt Points can be a great way to unlock free hotel stays, suite upgrades, and other travel benefits. However, buying points isn't always the best deal unless used strategically. Below is a guide on how to buy Hyatt Points and when it makes sense to do so. 1. How to buy Hyatt Points. You can purchase points directly from World of Hyatt through your account. Follow these steps. Log into your World of Hyatt account. Navigate to the Buy Points section. Select the number of points you want to purchase, minimum 1,000 points. Complete payment using a credit or debit card. Points are typically credited instantly or within 24 hours. 2. Cost of Hyatt Points. Standard rate. Points are usually sold at 2.4 cents per point. Minimum purchase, 1,000 points. Maximum purchase, 55,000 points per year, sometimes increased during promotions. 3. When to buy Hyatt Points. Buying Hyatt Points can be a smart move in certain situations. You need extra points to complete a redemption. If you're just short of a free night, buying points may be better than paying the cash rate. Hyatt offers a bonus promotion. Promotions often include 25 to 40% bonus points, reducing the cost per point to 1.7 to 1.8 cents. Luxury stays provide better value. If a high-end Hyatt property costs $800 per night, but you can book it with points, buying points could be cheaper than paying cash. Flexible award rates. Some Hyatt hotels have lower off-peak redemption rates, making purchased points more valuable. 4. When not to buy Hyatt Points. If cash rates are cheaper, always compare the cost of buying points versus paying cash. If there is no promotion, purchasing at full price usually isn't worth it. If you don't have an immediate use, points can lose value over time if left unused. 5. Best uses for Hyatt Points. Free nights. Use points for standard rooms or suite upgrades. Luxury hotels and resorts. High-end properties offer the best redemption value. Cash plus points redemptions. Combine points with cash for lower costs. Hyatt's partner. Hotels. Points can also be redeemed at small luxury hotels of the world locations. 6. Alternatives to buying points. Instead of purchasing points, consider earning them for free. Stay at Hyatt properties. Earn points based on hotel spending. Use a Hyatt credit card. Earn points on everyday purchases. Transfer points from travel rewards programs. Some credit card points transfer to Hyatt. Take advantage of Hyatt promotions. Stay during bonus points events. 7. Refund policy for purchased points. Hyatt points are non-refundable, so ensure you have a planned redemption before buying. 8. Checking your Hyatt Points balance. To check your balance, log into your World of Hyatt account. Go to the My Account section. Check your current point balance and transaction history. Buying Hyatt Points can be a great way to save money on luxury stays when done strategically, especially during bonus promotions. However, always compare the cost of purchasing points to the actual hotel rate to determine if it's a good deal. If possible, try to earn points naturally through stays or credit card rewards instead of buying them outright.